House Part 1. A house. This is a house. A garden. This is a garden. A garage. This is a garage. A terrace. This is a terrace. A balcony. This is a balcony. A hall. A corridor. This is a hall. This is a corridor. A bathroom. This is a bathroom. A bedroom. This is a bedroom. A living room. A sitting room. This is a living room. This is a sitting room. A kitchen. This is a kitchen. A dining room. This is a dining room. A laundry room. This is a laundry room. A wall. This is a wall. A floor. This is a floor. A ceiling. This is a ceiling. Stairs. These are stairs. Langaro.com